What's happening, guys? Tom E here, and today I'm going to show you how to make $50 a day on Instagram while getting tons of followers with no experience. All right, it's probably an advantage if you've dipped your toe in internet marketing before, but even if you don't, it's still definitely possible to do this. So let's get to it, shall we? Now, it's 100% free. Like I said, you don't need experience, you don't need a website, you don't need an autoresponder, you don't need an online store, you don't need anything. All right, this only works in the internet marketing niche. Okay, you can't do this. Well, I guess you could do it in other niches, but I only know how to make it work in the internet marketing niche. But that's not a bad thing because it works really, really well. All right, now we're going to promote on Instagram using a site called Warrior Plus. Some guys will be familiar with that one. Warrior Plus is a site where you make money on other people's products by becoming an affiliate. When you're an affiliate, you're able to sell other people's products at a commission anywhere between 50 and 100%, which is a pretty good deal. That's how I make a lot of my money. Now, you don't need a funnel, you don't need a website, anything like that, because the seller already has one. It's a beautiful thing, right? So let's have a look at Warrior Plus. All right, I'm in Warrior Plus right here. Now this is my Warrior Plus account. So let me see if I can go to let me see, Warrior Plus. Let me see if I can go there without being signed in. I think, yeah, like this. This is how it's going to look to you the first time you go to Warrior Plus because you won't be signed in. So what you want to do is you want to click on free sign up. If you don't already have a Warrior Plus account, it's free to do this. Username, password, fill in all that stuff. Registered, hook it up to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, go ahead and get yourself a PayPal account. Now what we're going to do is we are going to promote these little affiliate offers on Instagram. All right, and as you can see, this is inside my Warrior Plus account. As you can see, I'm doing pretty good for myself. I got a little over $1,032,082 in revenue. Let me just refresh this page so that you guys see that this is the real thing. And oh, it looks like I made $300 more since the last time I refreshed. Now it's $1,032,479. All right, so now once you have signed up, what you do is you are, let me see, you are going to go to, what is this? You're going to click on affiliates. Yeah, because you are going to be an affiliate. Click on affiliates. And as you can see here, I'm doing pretty good at the moment. And you want to click on get links. So first click on affiliates, then click on get links. Come on, Warrior Plus. Sometimes Warrior Plus is really sluggish. That's the one thing about it. And this is not going to say approved only for you. It's just going to say all offers since you don't have any approved offers yet. Now, all these buttons for you are going to be blue. For me, these are some of these offers I've already promoted. So what you're going to do is you are going to request links to promote these things. Now, the way that you know it's a good offer is if it's got like 1,000 plus sales. For instance, this one, CPA Part, 1,000 plus. Destiny by JK, 2,000 plus. Profiteer by Marsh, 3,000 plus. So what you do is you click on request. All right, let's click on JK's here. Click on request, and then it comes to the actual page of the vendor. Now you click on this one, request approval, and in this is kind of important. You basically say, something friendly like, "Hi, I am a brand new affiliate, but I have been studying Tom E, and I'm ready to make some commissions. I hope you can approve me." A lot of typos. Okay, I'm having issues with my keyboard here. I'm holding down the shift button and it's not working. There it is. Thanks so much. All right, nice and friendly, and then you click on request offer. Now a lot of vendors, myself included, we get a ton of these requests. If I click on let me go back here, back here and then click on affiliates. Let's see if I have any new requests. So I'm a vendor. I'm one of the people that you would be requesting this from if you wanted to promote my product. And as you can see here, there's a bunch of these. Now, this, when it's like this, it means the person has never promoted before. So it depends, depending on what they say, that's how I decide how to approve them. Let's see what this guy says. Hello, I wish an approval to sell Arbitrage Underdog. No, I'm going to deny that guy, because that's just not professional. Okay, he's not showing, and the reason why I'm skeptical is because there's some people that are fraudulent, you know, and they don't promote it in ethical ways. And you know, like this guy, he didn't send me a message, so I'm gonna deny him. You know, some buyers have sold a ton of product already and proven themselves, and they automatically get approved. You know, I have a huge email list for this offer. No, if you did, you wouldn't be a brand new affiliate now, would you? So, you know, as you can see, it's very important to, you know, to say the right things. Now, what you do is, let's see if we can go back to this page here where we clicked on, you know, on request. When you click on request, you end up on this page, and if you scroll a little bit, see here it says view JV page, and you click on view JV page, and it opens up their JV page. JV stands for joint venture. And what you do is you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. Doesn't matter whose page it is, you just simply scroll down, and at the bottom there will be contact details. What you're going to do is you're going to hit him up on Skype. All right, this is JK Downall. You just, you know, you just grab this, you know, copy and paste, and you hit him up and you say the same thing on Skype just to get his attention. Just say, hi, you know, I'm a brand new affiliate, and I was wondering if you could grant me permission to promote your offer. And then you know, you mention the name of the offer. I have already sent in my request. 99 times out of 99 times they are going to approve you. Okay, so now you are in the door. All right, now once you're in the door, now you have an approved offer. Then what do? Now it's time to go over on Instagram, because on Instagram what we're going to do is we are going to let me get to the screen here. What we're going to do is we are going to promote these offers, but you can't just spam shamelessly. And also, until you have a sizable audience, until your followers are in the thousands, I'm going to say tens of thousands, you know, you're not going to see a huge amount of traction. All right, so I'm going to show you two methods today. One is paid, one is free. I'm going to show you the paid one first. I don't make any money on that one, by the way, but I'm going to show you two, because once you've done the free one enough that you're making some good money on it, you can switch to the paid one, and you can just increase your earnings just massively. All right, so the paid one is using power likes. What's a power like? A power like is getting a like from an Instagram account that has from 50,000 to like 500,000 followers. All right. Now, when you get likes from accounts that big, the Instagram algorithm starts seeing you as an authority, and it will start ranking you on their Explore page in front of a lot of people. Now, the Explore page is if you have your phone, and then this is my home screen right here. I've just blurred out some names and information. You want to click on this icon here, the magnifying glass. When you click on the magnifying glass, you get to the Explore page, and this page has a ton of traction. Okay, so when you get power likes, that's how you end up there. Now, just getting one of your photos on the Explore page pretty much assures that it goes viral and gets you a ton of followers. That's how powerful it is. Now, if you want to get into this, it's not free and it's not cheap. What you want to do is you Google buy Instagram power likes or buy IG power likes, and there's a few companies out there. They usually charge about $200 a month. I found a couple of companies seem very reputable. You know, always check them out. With one, they charged around $200 a month, and for that, you get liked once a day for 30 days by about 700 authorized power likers, and that could make everything just explode like crazy for you. And as of now, this is not against terms of service at Instagram. All right, so it's good stuff. Now let's get to the free method. All right, now the free method you may have heard of, but even if you've heard of it, pay attention, because stuff changes really fast over on Instagram, and this is the one you're going to want to use if you don't want to spend a dime. Free one is simply follow, unfollow. What does that mean? Well, it means that you're going to start following people on Instagram, and then what happens is when you follow them, a lot of them follow you back. Then later you unfollow them, and then you start following a bunch more people, and it can grow pretty fast. But there are some rules. There's definitely some rules, because you can easily get kicked off, you can get banned on Instagram, you can get ghosted. Some people use bots to automatically do this, but Instagram is smart. All right, they figure this out. I don't recommend using bots anymore, because anyone, if you go to YouTube and you check out anyone who uses bots, their accounts, if you look like a year later, their accounts are not doing good, because it devalues you in the algorithm. It completely goes against. You'll definitely not get on the Explore page if you do this with a bot. So do it manually. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into the new rules of the game. And these are current rules. Okay, rules change all the time, but these are the current ones. So you only follow targeted accounts. Not only, but mostly, as much as you can. What do I mean by that? Okay, so with this, we're going to be focusing on make money online. So what you want to do is you want to type into Instagram, you can do a hashtag, you can do make money online, and then you will start following a bunch of people who have either posted stuff about make money online, or even better, people who are following people who have posted stuff about make money online. How many can you follow these days? You follow max 50 people an hour and max 300 a day. All right, but that's pretty good though. Follow 300 people a day. Yeah, it takes a little bit, but once you get it down to a science, you can do it pretty quick. Now the thing is, you can't unfollow them right away anymore. You could do this in the past, but if you do, you'll wake up Instagram's little smart bots, and they will start devaluing you. Okay, so wait at least a week until you unfollow the people that you followed, and that's how you build them up. Now it's a slow way of going, but it is it is a good way of going, because it's free. One more thing that I actually haven't mentioned in this presentation that is important is use a signature. When you get to Instagram, everyone is not everyone, but some people promote their website, whatever. You can just say something like, independent entrepreneur, I love making money, I love traveling the world. To find out how I do it, click here, and then it goes to an affiliate offer. Simple as that. Make it friendly, make it conversational. That's what Instagram is all about. So you want to make sure that you don't spam on Instagram. They gotta flow. Like I said, it's conversational. All right, so example of something that does not work on Instagram is make $100 a day by doing this. Okay, that'll get you spam flagged right away. A way that does work is something like this. When you wake up and realize you already made 50 bucks in your sleep, I love what I do, and then insert your link, because that seems it's very conversational, it's very light. Okay, so that's the kind of stuff that you're going to be promoting, and then of course you use an affiliate link, right? And then as far as what photos do you use, it depends on the offer. Look on the sales page and use your imagination. It's not that hard. Okay, be sure to balance your posts too. Do half with links and the other half with value posts, and keep it kind of niche specific, meaning since we're doing it in a marketing, you can do some inspirational stuff, never give up stuff, and some clever stuff. You can just Google inspirational posts or clever inspirational posts or something like that on Google. All right, that's it, guys. That's how you make 50 bucks a day on Instagram. Can it be a pain in the ass to do it? Yeah, absolutely it can. There's no doubt about it. But it's a free way of doing it. All right, and usually people actually release courses that show how to do this. They give you way more detailed explanation, which really isn't necessary, and they charge you 27 bucks for it. And I wanted to give you this for free in case you need to make some cash in a hurry. Now, the issue with this method, obviously, is that it's going to take a lot of time and effort. there is another way to clean up on Instagram that is actually much faster and it's way more profitable that I wanted to tell you about really quick. And it can get you around $700 a week on Instagram, literally by piggybacking on the success of others. If you want to check that out, click in the link in the description. It's a product that I was a part of actually creating. It works wonderfully. It's very powerful, and it's pretty damn reasonably priced. If you don't, that's totally fine, of course. Then, go for the free version. Kick ass, whatever you do. Do one of them. Because that's the beautiful thing about internet marketing. It works, and you can make so much money. You saw my Warrior Plus account. I made over $1 million in there. So this stuff works, guys. All you got to do is take action. All right, my name is Tommy, and I'll see you guys next time.